Dear all, in this video we are discussing about the another chitin degrading enzyme. Family 18 chitinases are other class of the enzyme which degrade chitin. It include both chitinases as well as chitosanases. These are found in many organisms including archaea, bacteria, eukaryote and viruses. These are classified into subclass A, B and C depending on their amino acid sequence similarities. The mechanism of catalysis in family 18 chitinases has some modifications compared to typical double retaining mechanism. Instead of using a carboxylate side chain of enzyme as catalytic nucleophile, family 18 chitinases use the acetamido group of the C1 sugar. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.